Today we are making a delicious keto pizza, low in carbs, high in flavor, and packed with protein. Add 1 egg to the ground meat. I've added garlic and onion powder, a touch of black pepper, some paprika, and just a hint of nutmeg and oregano. Feel free to use your favorite spices. That's the beauty of low-carb recipes like this keto pizza. You can easily make the flavor your own. Add just a pinch of salt, enough to bring out the flavors without overpowering the spices. I added 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs. This step is totally optional. If you do add them, it's such a tiny amount that it barely affects the carbs, so your keto pizza still stays low carb and perfect for a weight loss friendly dinner. Give everything a really good mix, making sure the egg and spices are evenly combined with the meat. I decided to add 2 small bell peppers, finely chopped. They bring a pop of color, a hint of sweetness, and an extra boost of vitamins, making this low-carb recipe even more wholesome and flavorful. Mix the chopped bell peppers into the ground meat. They'll add a light crunch and natural sweetness, giving our keto pizza crust even more flavor while keeping it a high-protein meal that's perfect for dinner. I'm using this metal baking pan because it fits perfectly in my air fryer. If you don't have a pan that works, no worries, you can simply use parchment paper and your keto pizza will cook just as well. Spread the meat mixture into a thin, even layer, gently pressing it up the sides to create small edges. These little borders will hold the cheesy filling in place, keeping our keto pizza neat and packed with flavor. Cook in the air fryer at 355 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. While the crust is cooking, let's get started on the cheesy mushroom and olive topping for our keto pizza. This is the part that makes it rich, flavorful, and perfect for a cozy, weight loss friendly dinner. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, then season with a little salt and a pinch of black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. And 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. The yogurt makes the topping creamy and tangy, while the cornstarch helps it set nicely, keeping our keto pizza rich, but still part of a light, low-carb recipe. Whisk everything together until smooth and well combined. This creamy mixture will make the perfect base for our cheesy, mushroom and olive topping on the keto pizza. I love adding fresh herbs to the egg mixture for extra flavor. Today I'm using a small handful of parsley and dill. They give our keto pizza a bright, fresh taste and a boost of antioxidants, making this high-protein meal even more wholesome. Parsley is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, while dill supports digestion and adds a fresh, vibrant flavor. Both give this keto pizza a healthy boost. I'm also adding some shredded cheddar cheese to the egg mixture. It melts beautifully and gives our keto pizza that rich, comforting flavor. Feel free to use your favorite cheese here, whether it's mozzarella, Gouda, or even a mix for extra cheesiness. Carefully spoon the topping onto the crust. It's hot, so take your time and don't burn yourself. Now, layer the canned mushrooms on top. They add extra flavor and texture, making this keto pizza hearty and satisfying without adding extra carbs. Now I'm adding some black olives, which I've already sliced into thin rounds. They bring a savory, briny kick that pairs perfectly with the mushrooms and cheese, making this low-carb recipe extra flavorful. Sprinkle some shredded cheese over the top. This will melt into a beautiful golden crust, giving our keto pizza that irresistible look and flavor every low-carb recipe needs. Cook in the air fryer at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Sprinkle some fresh herbs on top right before serving. It adds a pop of color, a burst of flavor, and makes this keto pizza look as amazing as it tastes. This keto pizza is cheesy, flavorful, and completely satisfying. It's the perfect low-carb recipe for a cozy, guilt-free dinner that even the whole family will love. Enjoy your meal. you.